Emma! Jack! Where are you?
Okay, fine. It's Dad.
Emma! Jack! Do you know how worried I was?
Jack?
Yeah?
I'm bored.
Yeah, me too.
Like, really bored.
Uh-huh. Dangerously bored.
I've played all my games twice.
There's nothing to do. No TV, no fun.
So, you know what that means?
A trip?
Yeah, a trip.
Like, far away?
Yeah, very far.
With, snacks?
Lots of snacks.
Okay, I'm listening.
No school, no homework.
Oh, wow! I love this trip already.
Beach?
Maybe.
Do you think Mom and Dad will say yes?
I don't know, but we can ask, right?
Okay, let's ask together.
Deal. You talk first.
Hey, no, you talk first.
You start. You're the nice one.
Oh? What are you two doing here together?
Mom, Dad,
Why do you both look serious?
can we talk to you?
Of course. Come sit.
Okay, so we have a big problem.
A big problem?
Yes, a very big one.
It's not that big.
No, it is. We are extremely bored.
Bored? Oh no, that's tragic.
Mom, please, this is serious.
We've been in our room all day. We did our homework, and then we just sat there.
I stared at the wall for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yes, and the wall stared back.
Oh my gosh, Jack.
So we were thinking,
We need a family trip.
A family trip?
yeah, maybe just something small, a change of place.
I understand, but right now, it's not a good time.
Not a good time again?
Is it because of school?
Yes, sweetheart. You both have school, homework, and exams soon.
Yeah, I forgot about exams.
And also, trips cost money and time. We can't plan something big suddenly.
What if it's not big, like one day only?
Yes, a mini trip.
A mini trip sounds better, but still, you have homework.
We can do homework in the car. I will be a responsible student on the road.
Also, you two said yesterday, I'm tired. I don't want to go anywhere.
Yeah, but yesterday was different.
What was different yesterday?
Yesterday we were tired. Today we are bored. Completely different.
Okay, I hear you.
So maybe?
Listen carefully. We actually have an idea.
Really?
Wait, an idea? A good idea? Tell us, please tell us.
When summer vacation starts, we will plan a big family trip together.
A big trip?
Yes, we'll choose the place together. Everyone gets a vote.
Okay, then I vote for Amusement Park City.
We'll look at options: beach, mountains, maybe a new city.
Okay, that actually sounds nice. But what do we do now?
Now, we can do something small this weekend, nothing big, just a family day.
Like what?
We can go out for dinner, or a walk by the sea, or even a picnic.
A picnic sounds cute.
Can we buy ice cream?
If you finish your homework first.
I will finish it in 5 minutes.
Okay, deal. Homework first, then small family plan this weekend, and big trip in summer.
Deal.
Deal.
All right, go on. Back to your room.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, thanks. We love you.
We love you too.
And we're proud you asked politely.
Well, that didn't go how I hoped.
Yeah, summer is so far away.
I know Mom and Dad are right, but I really wanted to go somewhere now.
Same. I'm bored again.
At least they didn't say no forever. They just said not now.
Not now is the worst answer. It's like hope, but slow.
Okay, Drama King.
I'm not dramatic. I'm emotionally honest.
Sure, Jack, sure.
So, what do we do now? Go back to staring at the wall?
Maybe. Or we could do something small.
Like what? Tell me now before I lose motivation.
Hey, Jack, come here.
What is it?
Look, do you see those lights?
What lights?
Over there, far, but not too far.
Wait, is that the amusement park?
Yeah, it's not that far from here. What if we just go and look?
Look, how?
Not ride anything, not buy anything, just walk around for a little bit.
You mean right now?
Just for a little while.
But they told us to stay home.
I know, but we'll be careful.
What if Mom calls?
We will take our phones and we will come back quickly.
And if Dad sees us?
He won't. We're like ninjas.
You, a ninja?
Excuse me? I can be quiet when I need to be.
Okay, but what's the plan?
Plan. We go, we walk, we enjoy the lights, we come back.
How long?
20 minutes, maybe 30. That's it.
30 minutes near the amusement park?
We can take pictures too, just for fun.
Okay, that actually sounds fun.
So, are we doing this?
Yeah, let's do it.
Hallway is clear. Come on. Okay, shoes, jacket, phone, and act normal.
I always act normal.
No, you don't.
Fine, I will act extra normal.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay, go.
Yes, we did it! Look! It's even brighter than I thought.
I know. It's even prettier than I imagined. It really looks like a whole different world from here.
I can hear the music. Wait, do you smell that? Is that popcorn?
Yes, and cotton candy too. That sweet smell is everywhere, like sugar in the air.
Cotton candy. Oh man, the pink one, the blue one, the giant fluffy one. Emma, I'm already hungry.
Focus, Jack. Remember our plan. We're just looking from outside. No rides, no buying snacks, okay?
Yeah, just looking. I'll be super responsible. My eyes will do the riding, and my nose will do the eating. Whoa! Emma, look at all of that. It's even bigger up close. The lights, the sounds, the people. This is actually real. That ride looks crazy. Did you see how fast it went?
If I got on that, I would scream the whole time, like instantly, before it even starts moving.
I would scream too, okay? But in a brave way, like a heroic scream.
A brave scream. Of course. Very professional. Very heroic.
Emma, look at that game. Do you see it? People throw rings, and if they win, they get a big toy. It looks so fun. I really want to try it.
Me too. And if I win, I will take that huge teddy bear, the biggest one. No small toy for me.
This place has so many fun things, but yeah, we don't have money to play right now.
True. If Mom and Dad were here, they would let us play. Dad would probably say, "Okay, one game," and then he would say yes again.
And Mom would take a lot of pictures, like 100 pictures, even of the teddy bear. Emma, what's wrong? Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared. I'm just a little sad. Look at that family. They're together. They look happy. I want us to do that too. You, me, Mom, and Dad, all together.
We will. Dad promised. In summer vacation, we will come here as a family. We'll go inside, ride the rides, and have fun the right way.
I know. I just wish summer vacation was now. Waiting is hard when you're bored.
Emma! Jack!
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that sounded like Dad.
No. Maybe it was a guy who sounds exactly like Dad.
Emma! Jack! Where are you?
Okay, fine. It's Dad.
Emma! Jack! Do you know how worried I was?
Dad,
No. First, Are you both okay? Are you hurt?
No, Dad, we're okay.
Thank God. Do you realize what could happen? Cars, strangers, anything.
We know. We're sorry.
Sorry doesn't fix it. You disappeared. I looked in your room. You weren't there. I called your names. Nothing. Your mom is at home, terrified.
Mom knows?
Of course she knows. She's your mother.
We were bored and disappointed. We just wanted to look at the lights.
So you thought the best idea was sneaking out?
We didn't go inside. We stayed outside the fence.
That doesn't matter. You left the house without telling anyone. I need you to understand something. When you disappear, I don't feel angry first. I feel fear.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Me too.
Okay, we're going home now.
Is Mom really scared?
Yes, very.
We didn't think.
That's the problem. You didn't think.
It looked so fun.
Fun is not worth danger.
Emma, Jack.
Mom, I'm sorry.
We're okay. We promise.
Do you know what I felt? My heart was breaking. I thought something happened to you.
They're safe. But we need to talk.
Why would you do this?
We were bored, and we felt really disappointed.
We just wanted to go see the amusement park lights.
Sweetheart, you could have told us. We would have found something to do together.
Everyone inside now. Sit down.
Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? Do you feel okay?
I'm okay.
Me too.
Good. Because now we talk about what happened and why it can never happen again.